In the forests and caves of Flores, an island far from continents, walked a curious human cousin, Homo floresiensis, the so-called Hobbits. They weren't giants, they were barely over 3 feet tall. Their brains too were tiny, more like a chimp's than ours. But their small size was no accident. New research reveals a radical truth. The Hobbits did not shrink in the womb, but instead no slowed growth during childhood. They started with potential. Their wisdom tooth development suggests they were on track for larger brains early on. But somewhere along the way, their growth was curtailed. This postnatal slowdown sculpted both their body and brain into miniature form. Why? Because they lived on an island. Flores was isolated, food was scarce. There were no large predators. In such conditions, insular dwarfism emerges. Nature favors smaller bodies that require less energy. Animals shrink, adapt. Evolution finds economy in survival. Yet shrinking didn't mean losing capability. Despite their stature and small brains, Hobbits crafted tools. They hunted dwarf elephants, they used fire. They survived across thousands of years. And they weren't alone. They coexisted with modern humans for a time. This discovery challenges one of our sacred beliefs, that bigger brains always mean more human. Here were creatures who rewrote their biology to fit their world, small yet deeply complex. But many mysteries remain. Did their mental capacity match their tools? Did their slow growth affect how they thought? And what other human branches out there shrank, adapted, and vanished, leaving only whispers in the dirt? If this story stirred your curiosity, hit like, subscribe, and join me as we dig deeper into the forgotten branches of our family tree.